guys, it's Brady from AA Spice. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a creamy peri-peri chicken pasta using 3 of our InFoods products. Today's dish is very simple, using only a few ingredients. We've got your favorite pasta, our barbecue spice, our 365 spice, our famous Puja's peri-peri, 1 onion, 1 pack of mushrooms, 6 chicken breasts, 2 tubs of cream, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, half a red pepper and half a yellow pepper. Okay, let's get going. First you're going to prep your chicken. So take your breast, butterfly it and slice it into strips. Okay, now we're going to take some olive oil, just a splash, our 365 spice, a generous dollop, our ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon, and just give that a good mix. Set aside. Next up, some peppers and mushrooms. Okay, mushrooms done. Let's jump into our peppers. Let's speed this up. And that's our peppers done. Let's do our onion. And okay, onions done. Let's put them back in a bowl. And ready to cook. Okay, let's get cooking. Heat up your pan on a medium heat. Drizzle some olive oil. Onions in. We want to get those onions nice and golden brown. Okay, your onions are nice and golden brown. We're going to add our chicken. Okay, our chicken is nice and brown. We're going to add in our mushrooms and peppers. Next, we're going to add in some of our barbecue spice. Okay, we're just about ready to add in our peri-peri sauce. I'm going to use about half a bottle because we like it spicy. And give it a good stir. We just wanted to get that sauce a bit warm. Now we're going to add in 2 of our creams. Let that heat up. Okay, our cream has a good boil going. We're going to add in our pre-cooked pasta. Okay, so our cream has thickened and incorporated into our pasta, and there you should have a gorgeous creamy peri peri pasta. Okay, let's dish. And garnish with some fresh coriander. Ready to serve.